What's up, guys? Back for another Bitcoin update technical analysis. Today is Inauguration Day, January 20th, 2025. So let's take a look at the market. We had a video last time saying would this break out or would it break back in? It broke out, hit resistance, came back with retesting. Now, in crazy times like major current events or releasing of the CPI or unemployment or any of the data coming from the US government, economic data, it's volatile, right? So it is a volatile day today. So anything could go, right? So you see a huge wick. This is from early to this morning. If you can find, so early this morning, this is EST, so this is 8 o'clock. So we had a pump midnight all the way to 109k all-time high. Now, in the morning of that, this morning, we just started to come back down. One can say we're selling the news, but I just feel the stochastics are resetting. This is for the 1 hour time frame. You see, so it's bound to come down for the 15 as well. 4 hour was curving down. So I mean, we testing now, right? We retested actually, came back up, and now this happened. So we gotta look at it on multiple levels. But first, let's touch base on Solana. Solana had an all-time high as well of 294. Came back down. Everyone was pumping the Trump coin and then the Melania coin. And so it was crazy on a Sunday because you weren't expecting this much trading to happen on a weekend. But Solana's in a falling wedge, kind of bull flag kind of thing, still kind of resetting, waning volume on the 1 hour. 4 hours very oversold. Daily's overbought, so we're coming to reset on the daily time frame. The tight moving averages suggest a pump, right? And none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion. And yeah, it does look like this is it might come down further. It's bearish for now because we're under the 200. Now, what moves the same way is the Trump coin. Looks like we have a descending triangle. That's bearish. We could go back to the $16 range. There's not much to do here, but we can do a volume profile. We see support, we broke below support. The next support is $28. There's not much here. So you can say we have a support here, resistance here, and say it's right here. Now we're between this, between these 2 points. Now Fib. Where are we for Fibonacci? We passed the golden pocket. We're almost at 7. We did the 786 was a support, so keep in mind that. So with a support level, if we really want to do that, we could also be a falling wedge, bull flag. If this is a bull flag, that's the target. I mean, that's the pull. Target is $160. So this is the bearish target, $16. It's hard to really do much technical analysis on coins that are, like, especially meme coins that are recent. So, and this is just on MEXC. Now we can do one for Millennium for the same. We can do. Let's see if we can do it on Gate. So Gate launched 10:30 of Sunday. KuCoin this morning, so no good. MEXC was pretty quick to do this. Ooh, everyone's jumping in. Crypto.com's late coming into the game, so let's do MEXC if we could. It's not there. Bitmart. Notice the smaller exchanges getting there quickly. See, like 10 o'clock. This was pretty good. We can do it on this one. So head and shoulder pattern dump. Now resist support here. We had resistance again. POCs we're below that as well. Sub 8, the volume's pretty good. Now it's hard to. There's not much here, so you see head and shoulder. Target, we're not even there. The target should get you down to 6, but I guess the support's holding here. Now, the thing we do with a dumping chart is we see if there's any reversal. So, well, stocks are low, 5 minute, falling volume, falling price. Well, there's a rising RSI, so that could be a bullish divergence. Same with the 3 minute. 1 minute is inverse head and shoulder. Slanted neckline. If this were to complete the pattern, target would be back to $9, but it will still be bearish because the 200 SMA still below that. We might just touch it and come back down, or we could break above it, retest, and go from there. So I wouldn't recommend trading, but this is not financial advice, so do whatever you want. I mean, I'm personally in some Trump coins and Solana, but that's beside the point. I'm there for the long run, so I believe Trump coin's gonna do well regardless, because we have at least 4 years to go, and we've got a good start. Now for Bitcoin, what's gonna happen? Well, on the daily, I still see this might, this goes sideways, hit, just bounce between, just maybe you can do like a little flag, falling wedge, or ascending triangle, or it could be even descending triangle, and it could dump us. But this has to be set, right, for the daily. 4-hour time frame. What do I see? Well, we're holding support here from the previous flag here, so you can do that. And I can remove this because now this actually played out. Now the target was beyond we blew the target. All right, it's kind of messy now here. So do I still see this at 76k? Well, maybe not with this pattern because we've kind of invalidated this descending triangle. But this still could be like a flag, like a bullish flag, right? All the way from here. But that's a long shot because it could be like a weekly chart target. So I'm just gonna remove that and then play out, which is okay. You know, the 110k is technically, yeah, you can see we've reached it. So I'll remove that as well. I'll remove these just so we can have a better idea of what's going on. Remove that. We can always redraw it, right? So just leave the support and resistances and do it like that. So for the long run, the bigger picture, what's going to happen? This might be a double top, you see. Now on a weekly time frame, looks like there's a good ascending trend line. So this is ascending triangle. So now if we were to, let's delete these as well. Now if we do, if the next 4 years is going to be a good one, Bitcoin's going to go to 200k or 119k. That's on towards the end of the year if this continues on, because that's another like until April. Who knows how long will that take? Right, we could do like a double top, dump back us down here to 67k. So we shall give you more updates. Now on the daily time frame, yeah, I still see this ascending triangle. This flag, I'll redo this flag. We might just consolidate here for another couple of weeks, see how the new administration plays out, and then we'll have a clear picture. Investors will then hopefully jump back in, but the case for this pattern will be 117k. Alright guys, what else shall we look at? Bitcoin dominance. We're still in this symmetric triangle. Bullish coming up. If we break that, it seems like it's not breaking. If it breaks out, then Bitcoin's gonna go for another run. ETH is still, well, we're gonna inverse head and shoulder. It could reverse, but high Stokes under the 200 SMA. US tether dominance falling. So finally we see, so it got rejected twice by the 200. So this might just continue to be rejected. People is not, I guess they're getting into Bitcoin or even the alts, because alts are, yeah, so could be the alts. Okay, there's a good support here. So this is doing the total 1, 2, and 3 are doing the opposite of the US tether dominance. Sort of the same for ETH dominance. Now Bitcoin dominance looks like this, right? They look similar, which is good. Alright guys, that's it for today's update. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on your notification, and I'll see you in the next video.